Block Blast strategy. Today I'm going to share you some top strategies, tips, and tricks to help you level up and dominate the game. Block Blast is one of those games that's easy to pick up but hard to master. But with the right strategy, you can blast through levels like a pro. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the best tips and tricks that will boost your score and make you a blast master. Tip number 1, you need to plan your moves ahead. One of the biggest mistakes players make is not planning ahead. Block Blast is all about thinking ahead and creating combos. Instead of just tapping randomly, try to predict which blocks will clear when matched together. This will help you create chain reactions that clear more blocks and give you bigger combos. Tip number 2, focus on large blocks first. When you have a choice, always go for the large blocks first. Clearing big blocks will not only give you more points but also free up more space on the board for new moves. So try to focus on clearing large groups to keep the board clean and make room for combos. Tip number 3, use power-ups wisely. Power-ups are your best friend in Block Blast, but don't waste them. Use them only when you're running out of good moves or when you're stuck with a difficult puzzle. For example, the Palon power-up is great for clearing out tough spots, while the Lightning power-up can help you clear a whole row or column. Save them for the moments when they'll have the most impact. Tip number 4, don't rush, just take your time. Take your time to evaluate the board and plan your moves. Speed is important, but strategy and precision are even more valuable. Rushing can lead to mistakes that can cause you to miss important points or opportunities. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.